In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner, click on this gear, select voice typing, and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Visible Microphone. If you never used voice typing before, click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, you can tap on the same microphone or simply pause. You can also click on your microphone, and when it's on, tap on little icon right next to it. Then hit next in the pop-up, and done. Now you can use voice typing from here. To turn it on or off, tap on microphone icon. To delete your text on the go, click on this one with an X. To access all keyboard settings from here, click on those three lines at the bottom left corner and operate all of those. To add any emojis, click on emoji icon. Then to close this section, use X icon at the top left corner. To go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon over here, and to move your strip around, just hold it and drag it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!